Currently in Spokane, there are thousands of adults and children who are victims of sex trafficking. By bringing awareness to the general public and providing safe housing, we are exposing the problem and helping victims restore their lives. I like it. That's really good.
So where do we use this, right? Like I mentioned, the idea of answering the question, what do you do? This can come off maybe a little bit robotic when you're just kind of reading it. So what you'll want to do is just kind of repeat it over and over so it can actually kind of naturally roll off your tongue, and like if I was answering this question, I wouldn't just go right into currently in Spokane, you'd go, well, I don't know if you know this, but currently in Spokane, there are thousands of adults and children who are victims of sex trafficking. We bring awareness to the general public and provide safe housing for them. And when we do this, we're exposing the problem and helping victims restore their lives. And so that could, and it just sounds a little bit more conversational.
Yeah.
So there's that concept, saying it over and over and kind of making it your own, right? So what this does when you deliver this message to somebody in a way that anybody can understand, one, it frames the conversation from the standpoint of we're starting kind of at this really low level in the conversation, and this conversation can really go wherever we need it to, or wherever you want it to as the listener. For the coffee shop, you could say currently in Spokane, there are thousands of adults and children who are victims of sex trafficking. The garden partners with HRC Ministries, who brings awareness to the general public and provides safe housing. Together, we are exposing the problem and helping victims restore their lives. So you could just kind of tweak it a little bit to bring the garden and HRC kind of into the same conversation.
Yeah, that's what I'm definitely going to do, and looking forward to that. And I know that I really want to be able to, share our heart behind the business a lot more than I have.
Yeah.
And just kind of not really confident to do that. And so this is going to give me that, more confidence to be able to share that. So I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah,
so much,
absolutely.
sir.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. Well, that's all for this episode. Thank you so much for listening.